Welcome to day 2 of ZEN31, Beginner's Mind Meditation. Come into a comfortable and quiet place and either sit or lie down. Close your eyes if that's comfortable for you, or simply soften your gaze. The concept of a beginner's mind, or shoshin in Zen Buddhism, encourages us to approach life with an open and fresh perspective, just like a beginner. It invites us to let go of preconceived notions and judgments, allowing us to fully experience the present moment. This meditation will help you cultivate a sense of wonder and curiosity in your everyday life. Let's take a few deep breaths in and out through the nose. As you breathe, feel the connection between your body and the surface you are sitting on or lying on. Allow your body to relax and release any tension. Now bring your attention to your breath. Observe the natural rhythm of your breath without trying to change it. Notice the rise and fall of your chest and the sensation of the breath passing through your nostrils. Imagine that you are a complete beginner in the world, experiencing everything for the first time. Let go of any preconceived ideas, judgments, or expectations about what you are experiencing right now. Allow yourself to become like a child, seeing the world with fresh eyes. Bring your awareness to your senses. Begin by listening. Notice the sounds around you, whether they are distant or close. Listen to them as if you've never heard them before, with a sense of curiosity. Shift your attention to the sensation of touch. Feel the fabric of your clothing against your skin. Feel the air on your skin. Run your fingers along the surface you are sitting or lying on, and observe the textures and temperatures with a beginner's curiosity. Breathe in the scents in the air. Breathe them in slowly and mindfully. Now observe your thoughts. Your mind may have wandered, filled with thoughts and judgments, and this is perfectly normal. When this happens, simply acknowledge the thoughts, and without judgment or disappointment, gently guide your attention back to your breath and your senses. Each moment is a new opportunity to begin again. As you practice this meditation, remember that life is a continuous journey of discovery. We can never fully know or predict what the next moment will bring. Embrace the unknown with open-hearted curiosity. To close this meditation, take a moment to reflect on the beauty of having a beginner's mind. Recognize the gift of being fully present and embracing life with fresh eyes. Express gratitude for the opportunity to explore the world in this way. When you're ready, gently open your eyes if they were closed, or reorient yourself to your surroundings. Carry the spirit of the beginner's mind with you into your day, noticing the wonder and beauty in the ordinary. Remember that a beginner's mind is a mindset that can enrich your life, helping you see the world with newfound appreciation and wonder. Practice this meditation regularly to cultivate and strengthen your beginner's mind and carry its openness and curiosity into your daily experiences. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3.